What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today, BLACKPINK doing Love to Hate Me plus You Never Know. I guess this is going to be 2 songs. Live DVD, the show 2021 is what it says on it. So cool. Never heard of BLACKPINK. Should be interesting. Let's just jump straight into it. Here we go.
Love, 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 how you love to hate me.
Kinda sad that you always been like that. See me making waves and you don't like that. Driving through your puddles going silly splash. Splash, splash, splash.
Stressing over nothing, baby, relax. Why you getting angry, I'ma kick back. Only thing I think about is big stacks.
Negative days, negative nights. Baby, you're wasting all your time. I can't relate, I keep it light. No, no, no drama in my life. Wake up, yeah, make up, maybe I need you now. I've been good lately, blowing up, working, busy.
You ain't worth my love if you only love to hate me. Love, 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 love.
How you love to hate me, love, 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 love.
You ain't worth my love if you only love to hate me.
I'ma let you fade into the background. Baby, on my shoes, I get into round. Keep on turning it up when you want me down. Negative days, negative nights. Baby, you're wasting all your time.
I can't relate, I keep it light. No, no, no drama in my life.
Wake up, yeah, make up, maybe I need you. I've been good lately, blowing up, working, busy. You ain't my love if you only love to hate me. Love, 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 love. How you love to hate me. Love, 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 love.
You ain't worth my love if you only love to hate me. Love to hate me, you hate to love me. I'm taking back what you've taken from me. You mistaken, honey, it's something that remind me why I be alone on my own. If I needed you, I had you, that I know. Hold up, I could do bad by myself, don't need help. One of a kind of hand that I was dealt, like oh well, felt. Cupid was stupid, I should've knew it, cause I've been through it. You wouldn't do it if he ain't foolish, stupid.
애써서 활짝 웃었던 날에 밤은 왜 더 어둘까? Kiss bring me down, down, down.
Different language.
모두 너무 쉽게 내뱉던 말 아마 들리겠지 뭐잖아. I've heard enough,
Say it.
I've heard enough of the things that I'm not.
세상이 바뀌어가도 아직 나는 그대로인걸. 내가 걸어가는 이 길을 꿈꾸던 그때 그대로 내 매일을 춤추던 전 그 자리에 남아있는걸.
But you never know unless you walk in my shoes. You never know I'm 켜버린 내 끈. Cause everybody sees what they wanna see. It's easier to judge me than to believe.
깊이 숨겼던 낡은 생각들 가끔 나를 자꾸 괴롭히지만 그럴수록 I'ma shine, babe. You know they ain't gotta shine on me.
Sunday night, I've been swallowed by my bed. I've been all over my head, wondering if I gotta try to pretend. 나도 잘 모르는 날 누가 알아주길 기대하는 내 모습을 찾기가 두려워. 저 빛이 더 밝아질수록 그림자도 길어지는데 너무 눈이 부셔 올 때 한디를 볼 수 있을까?
온 세상이 바뀌어가도 It's easier to judge me than to believe.
깊이 숨겼던 낡은 생각들 가끔 나를 자꾸 괴롭히지만 그럴수록 I'm shine baby. You know they ain't got a shine on me. 가라앉으면 돼 나도 잘 알아. 땅만 보는 채로 날 순 없어. 구름 건너편엔 아직 밝은
내가 그려왔던 그림 속에 찢어버린 곳들까지 다 비워내 웃을 수 있게. 보기 싫었던 너만 마주할래.
난 기억해 so I'll be okay. 파란 내 방안 가득 꽃이 피게. You know I'll always be waiting.
But you never know as you walk in my shoes. You never know 엉켜버린 내 끈. Cause everybody sees what they wanna see. It's easier to judge me than to believe.
깊이 숨겼던 낡은 생각들 가끔 나를 자꾸 괴롭히지만 그럴수록 I'm a shine babe. You know they ain't gonna shine on me.
And then into the spaceship. It looks that a spaceship? But then when I look into it, it looked like it was a skylight and steps going up to it. It's pretty cool. Really enjoyed the song. It was awesome. I really enjoyed it. It confused me when they started singing in a different language at first, and I'm not sure what language that is. I'm sure you guys probably will let me know, maybe, hopefully. So I'm curious. I'm curious where they're from. Because all it was English in the beginning, and then they start going back and forth. Well, it's pretty awesome. How you can like sing two different languages in the same song, and really, they seem really talented and really good singers. Definitely like to check some more of them out. That was really good. I enjoyed it. You guys got any more suggestions for BLACKPink? You know, throw those in the comment section. I will love to check some more out. If you guys don't, I will just check some more out myself. If you guys haven't noticed, I have a Battle of the Bands going. You can go to my channel and vote every day. A new match every single day. 24 hours to vote. See who the best of last year's reactions I have done is the best. Don't know why I said it all like that, because that don't sound right, and I don't think I'm not good at putting sentences together, I guess, today. So whatever, it's been fun. I'm gonna eat something, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.